Today we're testing out a 40-volt 16-inch Greenworks chainsaw. Now I've never owned a chainsaw before, and I've only used a gas one that I borrowed in the past, and it didn't work that well. I'm hoping this electric chainsaw will be better, so let's dive in and check it out. Inside the box, you have your instructions, a bar guard and a 16-inch bar, a 40-volt 4.0 AH battery, a matching charger, a chain, and then the chainsaw. That's everything. Now you will need some bar and chain oil before using, but you can pick that up for a few bucks at your local hardware store. Other than that, setup was really easy, even for a beginner like me that's never put on a chain before. Unscrew the plate and remove that. Underneath the plate, there's an image showing which direction to put the chain, which makes it really easy. Just run the chain along the groove of the bar, put the bar on the pin, run the chain around the motor, and tighten the chain until the pin aligns with the other hole on the bar. Then you can put the plate back on. Screw that down, and then pour in some oil. Put on the cap, slide in the battery, and then you can test it. Press the safety button in, and pull the trigger to turn on the chainsaw. Then when you let go, it immediately stops.
Alright.
Everything works fine, so I threw on the blade guard and took it out to the woods for a proper test. We struggled to cut down this tree with our old gas chainsaw, so for me, if I can cut through this easily, it's worth it. So here's an unedited clip of me cutting through the trunk. And as you can see, it easily cut through this in just 20 seconds. Definitely faster than our old chainsaw got through this. So this chain is nice and sharp. Seems to have some decent power too. It didn't give me any issues. Not only that, but I like that there's no idle noise. No wasted gas or electric in between cuts, and it's so easy to start back up. I even used it to cut some targets for my throwing knives. It's really easy to get precise cuts with. I was able to dice up all of this and fill up a full cart without having to charge the battery. I even had leftover to clean up a fallen tree on one of our trails. It has more than enough charge for small projects around the farm or house. And if you do run out of battery, you could throw it on the charger and get a full charge in an hour. For me, I was ready for a break by the time I cut and moved all this wood, so this is perfect. I also kind of like that there's no tool to access the chain and tighten it. These knobs make it really easy to adjust the chain. It's nice not to have to worry about a tool and potentially lose it while out in the woods. But they are plastic, so make sure that you don't over tighten them, because I feel like they could break. But other than that, I'm really happy with my new chainsaw. I love that you don't have to worry about having enough fuel. You can just recharge and get back to it. And best of all, it's made cutting wood for me so much easier. No more issues with pull to start, no more loud noises, and I don't have to use my handsaw. So if you're looking for an affordable electric chainsaw that's good for beginners, this one from Greenworks might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go find a place to store my firewood. See ya.